Hi, I'm Elizabeth Cauty, co-author of the Creative Schizophrenia blog at HealthyPlace.com. Several weeks ago, my doctor and I lowered my antidepressant in the hopes that it would lower my anxiety to do so, and it worked. Our reasoning was that antidepressants contain chemicals that make you feel on, much like what's going on when you're anxious. So another effect of lowering my antidepressant dosage was that the voices are now quieter. This is generally a good thing. No one likes to have voices in their head screaming loud, obnoxious things at them at a fever pitch. But it's also made the voices a little confusing because sometimes I can't tell if I'm hearing them or not, and sometimes I can't tell when they've gone away or not. On the whole, however, I would much rather have quiet voices than loud voices. I just need to get used to these new quiet voices and how they work. This is Elizabeth Cauty, co-author of the Creative Schizophrenia blog at HealthyPlace.com. See you next time.